And with this partnership with Youth Corporation, this is one of the small cap stock you should include in your list. What's up? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a list of 10 small cap stock that you can buy right now. And this list is inspired by the Fed cutting their rates and also the AI boom. So consider watching this video till the end. Don't skip any part of it because each and every stock has a reason why I chose to put it in the list. And this video is only for educational purpose, so don't take it as a financial advice. So before you invest in any of these stock, make sure that you do more research and also consult with your financial advisor. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we get started with the list, I want us to elaborate to beginners what small cap stock are. So small cap stock represent shares of companies with market capitalization ranging from 250 million US dollars to 2 billion US dollars. In addition to that, the defining characteristic of small cap stock include their high growth potential, as small companies can expand more rapidly than established corporations. For example, sales increase from 500,000 US dollars to $1 million US dollars is far more achievable than growing from 5 billion to 10 billion. Additionally, these companies tend to be more agile and can adapt quickly to changing market conditions, like for example, the AI boom and Fed cutting their rates. And let's now go into the list of the top 10 best small cap stock that you can buy right now. And as I told you earlier, this list is inspired by the AI boom and also the Fed cutting their rates. As you know, these small cap companies mostly utilize loan as part of their capital. And with the Fed cutting their rates, the cost of capital is lowered. So they are able to borrow loan at a lower rate. And the first small cap stock we'll be looking at is of a company known as C3.ai. They have a ticker symbol as AI, and their current market capitalization is 2.2 billion US dollars. So C3.ai engage in provision of enterprise artificial intelligence softwares for digital transformation. And this C3.ai company stands out with its comprehensive enterprise AI platform and strategic partnership with Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing service by Microsoft, and this company C3.ai also reported a 29% year-over-year revenue growth, and this company also secured significant contracts with a company known as Baker Hughes, which makes it really attractive. And as an AI application provider integrated with Microsoft ecosystem, C3.ai is well positioned to capture a substantial market share as enterprises accelerate their adoption to AI. So this is one of the companies you should have a look at, because currently most companies are looking for ways to incorporate AI into their businesses. And the current share price of this company is 17.32 US dollars, with the all-time high being 161 US dollars back in 2020. So this is the right time to invest in this stock, because if we already have Microsoft as one of the partners, then there's a high probability that other huge corporations would also partner with C3.ai. So make sure that you go and have a look at this small cap stock, that is C3.ai. And let's now go into our next small cap stock, which is also a beneficiary of this AI boom, and that is Applied Digital Corporation, with a ticker symbol being APLD. Their current market capitalization is 5.79 billion US dollars. Market capitalization is the price of share times the number of shareholders. And this company, Applied Digital, operates an AI infrastructure through data centers optimized for GPU computing workloads. And this company signed a massive lease expansion with CoWeave, pushing contracted lease revenue to 11 billion US dollars, which makes it one of the most attractive small cap stock to venture into. And with the stock surging 143% last quarter and analysts forecasting 47% annual revenue growth, Applied Digital is capitalizing on this AI infrastructure boom. And finally, the current share price of this company is at 22.15 US dollars, with the all-time high being 66.05 back in 2003. over 20 years ago. So there's a high probability that this stock will go past even their all-time high of 66.05 US dollars because of the AI boom. And let's now go into our third small cap stock, which is also a beneficiary of the AI boom, but in the audio and voice AI section. And our third small cap stock is SoundHound AI with the ticker symbol being SOUN, and the current market capitalization of this company is 6.39 billion US dollars. SoundHound specializes in voice AI technology with superior accuracy compared to established assistants like Siri and Alexa. I'm sure you are aware of Siri and Alexa. And this company also has partnership with major brands including Pandora, Krispy Kreme, White Castle, and Hyundai, which makes it really attractive. With the expected revenue doubling in 2025 and a projected 97% revenue increase, SoundHound represents a compelling opportunity in the expanding voice AI market. So this is also benefit from the AI boom. So the current share price of this company is sitting at 15.68 US dollars and the all-time high being 23.95 in December 2024. So you can take advantage of this lower share price because there's a probability that their share price will go back to their all-time high, that is 23.95 US dollars or even up to 30 US dollars. So take note of this, and in this video I'll not do a chart analysis of each and every stock, but at the end I'll show you how you can find the chart analysis of these stocks. It's very simple. And let's now go into our fourth small cap stock, which is also in the audio and voice AI section, and that is Cirrus Logic with a sticker symbol being CRUS, and the current market capitalization of this company is 6.37 billion US dollars. And Cirrus Logic engaged in development of mixed signal processing solution. And this company, Cirrus Logic, has also benefited from Apple's exclusive intelligence, which is incorporated in the iPhone 16 model. And the company announced an AI-powered audio collaboration with Copal Electronics, which is also another added advantage on this small cap stock. And this company that they have partnered with is in the PC market. In addition to that, their strategic partnership with Intel for Core Ultra processors has also enhanced their market reach. The company also reported an impressive 24.04 return on the year-to-date basis in terms of their capital gain. The current market share price of this company is 124 US dollars and the all-time high being 145 US dollars in August 2024. So right now we are in a pullback, so you can take advantage of that and make sure that you have a look at this Cirrus Logic small cap stock if you want to have some capital gains. And this is one of the companies to put in your list because they have also partnered with huge corporations such as Apple and Compal Electronics for the PC market. And let's now go into our fifth small cap stock, and this will be in the robotics and automation section. And the fifth small cap stock is SERV Robotics with the ticker symbol being SERV. Their current market capitalization is 701 million US dollars. And this company, SERV Robotics, engaged in providing self-driving deliveries. SERV Robotics pioneers autonomous last-mile delivery solution, partnering with Uber to deploy up to 2,000 robots for Uber Eats. And that is really exciting because they have also partnered with a huge corporation that is Uber. And the company operates in a rapidly expanding market as demand for automated deliveries service also grows. In addition to that, with the partnership extended to 7-Eleven, SERV Robotics is positioned to capture significant market share in the autonomous delivery sector. So this is another exciting thing you should know about SERV Robotics. And the current share price is also affordable at 11.72 US dollars. And the all-time high of this stock was in February this year, 2025, being at 19.47 US dollars. So with this pullback of 11.72 US dollars, you can take advantage of that because there's high probability that also their stock price will go back to 19.47 and even higher. And our sixth small cap stock is also in the robotics section, and that is Richtech Robotics with the ticker symbol being RR, and their current market capitalization is sitting at 615 million US dollars. So Richtech Robotics engaged in development of robotic technologies, and Richtech gained 500% over the past year and 150% in the last 3 months. And this company also secured a 4 million sales agreement with Beijing Dongjuan Technology and was also included in the S&P Global BMI Index, which makes it one of the small cap stock you should have in your list. And their service robot target restaurant, hotels, casino, and healthcare facilities, addressing labor shortage in these sectors. The current share price of this is $4, which is also affordable, and their all-time high being $8 back in January 2024. As you can see, the small cap stock in the robotics section are most affordable, and you can take advantage of that and include it in your portfolio as a way of diversification. And let's now go into our 7th small cap stock, and that is the UiPath, and their ticker symbol is PATH. The current market capitalization of this company is sitting at 6.67 billion US dollars, and UiPath engaged in development and provision of software platform to automate business processes. UiPath lead in agentic automation with AI agent executing complex workflow autonomously. So with the growth of AI, we are heading towards automation of workflow in businesses, and this is a company to watch. The company launched Agent Builder, an agentic orchestration platform with strategic partnership with Microsoft, Amazon, and Salesforce. These are the big giant companies. And with this partnership with Use Corporation, this is one of the small cap stock you should include in your list. In addition to that, the ARR of this company exceed 975 million with a strong margin expansion. So this is what makes this UiPath more attractive. And the current share price of this company is 12.56, which is also affordable, with the all-time high being 79.82 back in 2021. So there's high probability that this share price will also go high, especially with partnership with big corporations such as Microsoft, Amazon, and Salesforce. So consider putting this as part of your investment in the stock market. And let's now go into our 8th small cap stock, which is in the healthcare and biotech AI. Our 8th small cap stock is known as Veracyte, and the ticker symbol is VCYT, and the current market capitalization of this small cap stock is 2.64 billion US dollars. And this company, Veracyte, uses AI pattern recognition for cancer diagnostics with over 200,000 whole transcriptome profiles in its Deceiver platform. And recently, it was added to the S&P Small Cap 600 index with a strong FDA approval pipeline. So this is one of the stocks you should watch because it has also been included as an S&P Small Cap 600 index, and it has also an FDA approval. In addition to that, the company combines genomic testing with AI insight for precision medicine. So if you want to diversify your portfolio, especially in the healthcare sector, then this is one of the stock you should have a look at because it's also benefiting from the AI boom. And the current share price of this company is sitting at 33.61 US dollars, with the all-time high being 58.06 back in February 2021. This was during the end of COVID. So with the AI boom in the healthcare sector, this is one of the small cap stock you should have a look at. And let's now go into our second last small cap stock, and that is in the space and quantum. And our 9th small cap stock is Rigetti Computing, with the ticker symbol being RGTI. Their current market capitalization is 9.61 billion US dollars, and this is one of the highest market cap in the list. And Rigetti Computing provide full stack quantum computing service. Rigetti gained over 4,000% in 12 months, reaching all-time high of 32.4 US dollars as their share price. And the most exciting thing about this company is that the company secured a 5.8 million Air Force contract for quantum networking research, which makes it really attractive to investors. In addition to that, this company also benefits from the US government quantum computing strategy revision, and it has also partnered with QFox for quantum transaction technology, and this makes it attractive. So there's high probability that this stock will also perform well. The current share price is 29.65 US dollars, which is also affordable, with all-time high being 31.18, and this was recent in September 2025. So include this as part of your watch list in your portfolio, because there is high probability that this share price of Rigetti Computing will be even going to the $50 mark. And let's now go into our 10th small cap stock, and that is in the fintech and lending AI section. So the small cap stock is of a company known as Upstart Holding, with a ticker symbol being UPST. Their current market capitalization is 5.07 billion US dollars, and Upstart Holding engage in provision of cloud-based artificial intelligence lending platform. And Upstart reported exceptional 67% revenue growth to 213.4 million US dollars in the first quarter of 2025, and their new AI model 18 significantly enhanced platform conversion rates. In addition to that, loan origination has increased by 102% to 240,706 loans, with a strategic Walmart partnership through OnePay. So this is one of the other companies that you should have a look at, because it has also partnered with big corporations such as Walmart, which makes it attractive to investors. And the current share price of this company is 52.74 US dollars, with all-time high being 390 US dollars back in October 2021. With such a partnership with Walmart and a 67% revenue growth, this stock will also do well with the AI boom. And those are the top 10 small cap stock you should have in your list, and have a look at them. And let me share with you now how to do a chart analysis of any of these stock. So what you will do is to go to your Chrome browser and enter the name of any small cap stock that I've just mentioned, and then at the end of it, enter the word trading view and click the search button, and it will bring you to the search area where you will be able to see the stock price and chart. You will click on the link that show stock price and chart, so that you can be able to access the chart representation of the share price of this small cap stock. For example, here we have SERV Robotics as one of the small cap stock that we had in our list, and you can now access the chart representation from 1 day, 5 days, 1 month to even 1 year and all time. So you can click 1 year and see the performance. For example, for this you can see the all-time high was on around February, with its all-time being 22.92 US dollars, and currently it's at 11.63. So you can take advantage of that. And for more information, you can just scroll down and see, for example, market capitalization, dividend yield, revenue, and also net income, employees, and change in 1 year. So for more information, just scroll down and you'll be able to learn more about a particular small cap stock that you are looking for. And that's all I had for today in terms of the best small cap stock that you can buy right now, especially as a result of the AI boom and also the Fed cutting their rates. And I hope you have gained some insight from this video. So consider liking it and also subscribing to this channel in order to learn more about investing in the US stock market, and also how you can diversify your portfolio. And let me see you in the next video, and also share this with your friends.